Well, well, well. Look at this. This computer still does not want to load a Windows 10 install disk after over 10 minutes of waiting. I think I'm just going to give up because I do not feel like waiting this long today. Maybe another day. And maybe after I repaste the CPU and maybe upgrade some stuff. Yeah, but this is an Athlon 3300 Plus. It's old, but it should run Windows 10. At least Windows 10 64-bit, but yeah, whatever. This is just a quick video saying that this system in this state will not run Windows 10 right now, for some odd reason, even with an SSD, although it should be able to run Windows 10 even with this 40GB hard drive, just really slow. I do not understand why Windows 10 is not loading on it. Maybe it has to do with the graphics card, which is an FX 5200 crappy card. But have a good day.